This feels so wrong. I've been seeing this giant lip gloss trend everywhere. So guess what I'm doing today? Unfortunately or fortunately, my e.l.f. Halo Glow foundation has expired. So I'm gonna empty this bottle out and fill in these lip glosses in this. I've got quite a range of shades. So I hope the final shade turns out to be something pretty. First step, the most difficult part, I'm gonna empty this whole bottle out. This is gonna be so messy. Whoa, finally it came off. That's crazy. This just took way too long to be cleaned, like probably half an hour. Look at my fingers. But now comes the fun part. I just don't know which shade to start with. Maybe I should go for this one because it's like a medium. Out of these, this is like a medium dark shade. So let's start with this. Is this going to turn out as a fail? I'm still waiting. I genuinely don't know what to do at this point because the lip gloss is not flowy at all, and I can't get it out one scoop at a time like that. That's gonna be so slow. How do I make it runny? Shall I put some makeup remover in it? No. I think makeup remover might ruin it. Okay. You know what, guys? This is how we're rolling now. But I'm not gonna let this video turn out to be a fail because I have worked way too hard for this. We're getting somewhere. I just feel like I did way too much mehnat and got nothing. What is wrong with this lip gloss? Like, how are people pouring their lip glosses in like it's serum or something? Is something wrong with this lip gloss? Let's try the Maybelline one. Maybe this will work. My tweezer just bent at the most unnatural angle, and this, whatever it's called, the stopper or the whatever, is not coming off. I think this video is gonna turn out to be a fail. Can this just come out? What is wrong? What am I doing wrong? Okay, I've decided that I'm gonna use lip balms now because this thing is not working. Let's mix lip balms with lip glosses. Why not? Okay, let's see. Okay then. Now we're talking. Now we're talking. Okay, I think I should have started with that. Moving on to the next lip balm. This one is the shade Hazel. That is pretty satisfying, not gonna lie. Next one. This is what it currently looks like. It's gonna be fun to mix that up. Okay, I'm going in with this one next. And again, we're gonna have to do that. You must be wondering, Divya, what were you thinking going in with a gloss again when you knew that the gloss is not going to flow? But I don't have any more lip balms to put in this. The rest of the lip balms that I have are not liquid. So you know, this is gonna have to work. Okay, current situation. And this is what I'm going in with next. This is like Mehnat Max. That is the progress so far. I can barely see the first shade that I put in, and it was the prettiest shade. So I was hoping that the final shade would turn out similar to that one, but I just feel like it might be too dark. So the bottle is almost full. I'm just gonna put in the last gloss, which is just like a sparkly clear gloss. I'm not gonna fill it after that because I need some scope to mix it up. I'm done putting in product and the bottle honestly looks like an aesthetic mess. And to be honest, I'm very excited to mix this up. Okay. Are you ready? It's spilling, it's spilling, it's spilling. Of course, it's spilling. I'm very determined to not let this turn into a fail. So you know what? You can spill if you want, but you're gonna mix. I'm so excited to see what shade it turns out to be. Okay, I'm gonna continue mixing this. I want you guys to guess what you think this shade is going to be, and let me know in the comments if you guessed it right.